A High Court of Justice of the Federal Capital Territory sitting in Maitama District has cleared the president of Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria, Innocent Bola Audu, and 3 others of criminal allegations of human trafficking. Justice Charles Agbaza discharged and acquitted Mr. Audu and others on grounds that the prosecution failed to link the defendants with the offense. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Area reports.
The National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, NAPTIP, had dragged Mr. Audu and 3 others before the FCT High Court over their alleged involvement in human trafficking. The defendants are a chief accountant on grade level 14, Innocent Bola Audu, who was removed a few days ago as president of the Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria, and also an assistant executive officer of grade level 13. The defendant pleaded not guilty after they were arraigned on 17 July 2021 and were subsequently granted bail. The defendants, through their counsel, filed a motion of a no-case submission. After parties argued their briefs, the court adjourned the case for ruling. Justice Agbaza, in his ruling after listening to the submissions of the counsel, said the prosecution clearly failed to link the defendants with the offense. The prosecution had failed to establish a case of human trafficking against the defendants. The defendant was subsequently discharged and acquitted.
It's been done here today, and I think this is a strong indication and indeed a signal to members of the public that the court is always readily available to mete out justice whenever it is called upon.
In the first place, there was no criminal case against the defendants. So the 4 defendants have been discharged and acquitted as it is, because there is no crime, no criminal charge against them again, no conviction against them. So they are free to go home.
I want to go back to work and go back to my position as president and lead the people who elected me to lead them as their president and carry out the programs and policies that I have promised when I was elected at the delegate conference.
It's not a place where one person can turn things, use a government agency that willingly volunteer themselves out of morbid anxiety to witch hunt other persons because of political reasons.
The office of the AGF had issued queries to the 2 workers following a letter by NAPTIP to the AGF accusing them of human trafficking and exploitation of vulnerable persons. The Secretary General of the association, Alade Lawal, announced the replacement of Bola Audu with Tommy Okon as its acting national president, citing certain unforeseen developments staring the union in the face. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.